Hi everyone, welcome to our Wealth Hero channel. Okay, so today we're going to share with you what are the Singapore stocks to watch in December. Okay, so right now we are first week into December and overall the stock market is pretty volatile, especially in the US market, especially if you see some of the China stocks. Okay, so the overall market is very volatile, but one good thing about Singapore stocks is Singapore is one of the strongest market. So over here, you can see that recently with all the volatilities around the world, Singapore stocks is getting more. It's actually considering quite steady, So let me quickly just show you what are some of the stocks that is doing well. Okay. Alright, so let's go through the list. Okay, so this is the list of the strong stocks that I will always go through. Okay, so let me quickly share with you, what are some of the stocks that is still considered pretty strong. Okay, so one of them, number one, is Hong Kong Land. Okay, Hong Kong Land had a pullback and then now it's having this rebound. Is it really strong? Yes. Okay, as considering the previous trend, it is very strong, and now it hits a support level at $5.30 and quickly had a rebound. So is it a true uptrend? We have to see, upcoming weeks whether it follow through or not. But this Hong Kong Land is one of the strongest stocks over the past 3 months. Okay, if you can see from September, October, November, it is actually one of the strongest so-called blue chip that is available in Singapore. Okay, so most of the people, they probably have missed it. Okay, so most of the people say, oh, I didn't buy because it just keep going higher and higher. So right now, this one, is it an opportunity for people to get on it? This one we have to keep it in our watch list. Okay, so we go through some of the list. AEM, it is strong, but it doesn't give a very good opportunities to get in. So this is also another one that is abnormally strong. Okay, it shoots up from this $4.30 and all the way it goes right now is $5.13. So today you see a minus 2.3% down. It's not a very good sign. So let's see how this pullback, how these stocks actually consolidate. Okay, so let's go through the list. Parkway Life. Parkway Life is probably one of the strongest, among the rest, and also with a consolidation. So one thing, number one is Parkway Life long-term trend. Okay, Parkway Life long-term trend is the most steady uptrend blue chip that is in Singapore. Okay, so you can see Parkway Life is also doing very well over the past few weeks. Although it's not a very good opportunities to, it's not a very good price to actually buy into it. Okay, but this also shows that a lot of strength over here. Okay, a lot of strength. So the consolidation, it is a very nice sideways consolidation. Okay, so one of the stocks, okay, Parkway Life. Okay, so this one you put in the watch list. Okay, so other than that, okay, the rest, okay, Hourglass. Okay, if you follow our previous video, or the previous webinar, right? Okay, Hourglass is one of the highlights among the all these other stocks, okay, Singapore stocks. So Hourglass, okay, had a pullback recently, okay, and this pullback is also following the global markets cooling down, right? So over here, okay, this one, okay, we will watch out for any reversal. Okay, so if you notice, right, this is the stock. Okay, it always have this pullback, and then after that, it reverse, right? It pull back and then it reverse. So it pull backs and then it reverse, and then this is something like the sideways consolidation that Parkway Life actually had, right? Okay, so this sideways consolidation, and then there's a move upwards and having another pullback, another move upwards, and now we are having this pullback. So is this the end of the trend for Hourglass? Most likely it's not. Okay, because number one, Hourglass is not a very popular stock. Okay, Hourglass is a very neglected stock. Okay, so there is a chance. Okay, there's a chance that this trend is still on the uptrend. but then we have to see the follow-up price action. So let's keep this in the watch list. So we have Parkway Live, we have Hourglass. UMS is pretty strong, okay, pretty strong. It breaks out from this huge base, okay, and then went upwards, and then have this sideways consolidation. So this sideways consolidation, right? What is so good about this sideways consolidation? The best thing about this sideways consolidation is the support level. Okay, so this support level at $1.44, which means, okay, if you are buying these stocks, you clearly know that below 144 is something wrong. Okay, so the reason why, for us, right, like a trader, right, trader likes to buy into consolidation is because the risk and the reward, okay, there is a good ratio. So if you see that UMS is one of the stocks, right, then okay, right now it is almost time for it to break out. Okay, so with the good market condition, by right, okay, it should be breaking out as soon as possible. So that's the one stock that we also watch. So we have Parkway Live, we have Hourglass, we have UMS. So next is StarHub. Okay, StarHub, right, haven't been in this list for a while. Okay, haven't been our watch list for a while, but okay, something special over here is this is one of the few times that it reached the 52 weeks high. Okay, one rare opportunities that it comes back to its 52 weeks high. So is this really the start of another trend? Okay, this one, right, we need to also put it in the list. Okay, so it's not the best time to look at StarHub, but with some of this volume picking up, it is good to put at the back of your mind. Okay, that means StarHub is moving, is moving. So let's monitor for the next 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Okay, did it really continue the upward movement? Okay, so other than that, all this, the rest, not fantastic. Netlink is kind of like moving like a bond. Okay, very slow. Okay, but it is a very kind of like a steady uptrend. So I believe Netlink, if you are worried about the volatility right now, okay, Netlink is actually like very slow and little movement, but it is uptrend right now. Okay, so Netlink has been kind of like a dividend darling, okay, for some people, and Netlink has been doing well over the past 2 to 3 years. Okay, so in other words, if you look at some of the REITs out there, they actually underperform this Netlink trust. Okay, so this is probably one of the more stable one. Okay, one of the most stable one. Okay, so Netlink is not for traders, obviously. Okay, Netlink is more for like people who are looking for dividends. Okay, so the rest, Treasure, is all this is retail REITs. Retail REITs, of course, is getting hit by Omicron. So right now it's not that fantastic. Okay, ISDN is volatile. This pullback is not very strong. Okay, so we skip for now. Okay, the next one is Q&M Dental. Okay, Q&M Dental, right? Okay, is pretty interesting because this is kind of like a cup and handle pattern. So usually, right, this is a very popular chart pattern for US stock. Okay, US stocks. But for Singapore stocks, it's pretty rare. Okay, so the good thing about this, right, is you can see that the candlesticks over here, right, all these candlesticks, right, they are small and cute. Okay, small and cute, very cute one, very small and very cute. Okay, that is a good sign. Okay, that's a good sign. So that means it is very controlled. Okay, very like kind of like buyer and seller, right? They are all fighting for the same price. Okay, fighting for the, they are not throwing the shares into ridiculous price. Okay, so over here, these are a good sign, and this consolidation pullback, okay, is actually before that there's a big move. So there's a big upward movement and a small consolidation. This is a nice movement. Okay, so over here you also see smart money in. This is a nice movement. over here, you also see previously, the smart money actually did a good job. They did a good job. So Q&M, okay, of course, it's not for everyone. This is like a small company, 500 over million only. Okay, it's more for traders, risk taker. Okay, or people who like me visit Q&M, right? So if you are some people like this, right? If you're looking for like Singapore stocks opportunities, right? Q&M is one of the stocks I will put in my list. So I will put Parkway Life, I'll put Hourglass, I'll put UMS, and then I will put Q&M. And if I got spare cash, those cash no place to put, I'm looking for dividend, then it's Link Trust. Okay, so the next one is this Samudara Shipping. Okay, Samudara Shipping is also having this like cute and small little candle. Okay, but this is a pretty volatile stocks. That means if you are wrong, okay, you could expect a drop, probably like a 10% drop, or a quick 15-16% drop. Okay, so these stocks is 290 million small companies, right? But the thing is here, okay, the thing is the shipping stocks. Okay, the shipping stocks, they are kind of coming back a little bit. Okay, they're kind of like coming back. This is COSCO in Hong Kong. So you can see over the past 2 weeks, okay, 2 weeks, COSCO in Hong Kong actually moved up pretty much. It moved up like 11 to 15, 31%. Okay, 31%. So shipping stock seems to be coming back a little bit over here during this very uncertain period. Okay, so Samudara Shipping is definitely one of the high risk, high risk trade. But with these candlesticks, okay, with these candlesticks, all these small little candles, it looks okay. It looks okay. Okay, but of course, like what I say, there's investors, there is traders. This video that I'm doing here is actually more for traders. Okay, more for traders. Okay, so if you are traders, right? Okay, we if you haven't opened a trading account with our team, right? Okay, please help me. Okay, just support this channel or support our team. Okay, click the link below and open a trading account with my team. Okay, so let me just continue. Okay, it's not the end of the video yet. Okay, so the next one, the next one is Kim Lee. Okay, Kim Lee seems to be more of a kind of like a investor kind of stocks. Okay, why? Because number one, the candle move up and down and left and right. It doesn't have a very steady pattern, right? But but you can see that sometimes it actually, there's a 11 million transacted, 11 million shares transacted. So that is about $5 million transacted in this stock. So that is actually something interesting. Okay, something interesting. So that means number one is there's a catalyst, right? The catalyst is Kim Lee, okay, could benefit from the opening up of this this lockdown, or all these things. So people can dine in, 5 packs, 10, all this regulation has been lifted. So Kim Lee is one of the play, right? One of the play. There's a catalyst there that could improve the business. Okay, and then over the past 2-3 weeks, you can see that the price didn't really drop. It didn't really drop. So which means it is pretty steady. Okay, so Kim Lee still strong. Okay, we will definitely monitor it. If you are investors, you like the business, you like to eat at Kim Lee coffee shop, then this Kim Lee, right, is the stock you probably want to study. Okay, so Metech, okay, we are 1 day late. Okay, we are 1 day late. Okay, so if I do this video 1 day ago, this is probably like one of the stocks that I will definitely mention. Okay, so one thing here, there's no volume or very little volume before that. Okay, and then the volume starts to comes in, and this stocks is moving in a higher low and a higher high manner. It is an uptrend pattern. okay, with this very tight consolidation, okay, here comes a breakout, okay, but then this video is totally missed it. So if you join my previous talk, right, I think I have talked about this Metech, okay, I've talked about Metech in the previous webinar session, okay. So remember to like this channel, to follow this channel, so that you will not miss out any of our analysis, right? Okay, so the next one is First REITs. First REITs, I think, is more for traders. Okay, these stocks, right, had a pretty bad history, okay, for the past 1 year, crashing down from 50 cents all the way to 20 cents. Everybody's worried that, you know, it's going down further, right? Okay, but now the interesting thing is First REITs, you know, had a run up over here. So there might be some catalyst that's coming in. There must be some good news, or, you know, there's something good over here happening. Okay, and with the market pullback, it pulled back like everybody, but it consolidated pretty well. So the volumes dries up. Okay, people lose interest. So this could be, you know, could continue if they want. Okay, they could continue. So over here, not my kind of stocks, but some people, right? Some people they might like these stocks. So the rest, nothing much. Broadway a little bit setting up, but the price is too low, and, you know, the stocks move up and down too much. Okay, not so much of a consolidation. Asian PTV, not my favorite. Or FSL, okay, is also a shipping, okay, shipping trust, also coming up. So the rest, more or less, okay, more or less is not. Okay, so of course, what we are talking about today, right, is those stocks that is really strong, those stocks that is really uptrend, and, you know, we only like to look at the most uptrend stocks. So in this case, okay, those stocks, what about DBS, what about UOB, what about OCBC? Okay, so DBS, UOB, OCBC is getting too volatile, okay, with the downward move. So if you already missed it, then that's it lah, already missed. Okay, so the best time to get into DBS, UOB, right, is during the sharp drop. Okay, during the sharp drop. So if you see a bottom signal, these are the opportunities for catching, you know, all these bank stocks. Okay, so if more likely, okay, there could be a chance that there's another leg down, and you still get a chance to pick up this bank stock at a low price. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's see. But right now, it's already off the lows, so it's not the best timing. It's not the best timing. But if this is a good price for you, then, you know, of course, you can, you know, of course, look at all these bank stocks. Okay, so recent rebound is a bit too fast. So, you know, I'm not chasing the 4th or 5th day of the bounce. All right. Okay, so first of all, please help me. Okay, if you like this video, please leave a comment below. Okay, type a awesome, type a good. It will definitely help us to build this channel, because YouTube, right, it runs in an algorithm. More people like, more people comment, it will share with more people out there. Okay, so do like, comment, and share this video. I thank you very much. I see you in the next video.